Hello everyone, so today we are going to learn how to find the square root of any perfect square number. For this purpose you have to recall these first 12 natural numbers. So let us start with our first number. This is a 3-digit number. So first we will consider the digit we have on the ones place, that is 1. First we have to find out the possibilities of the numbers in which 1 is appearing on the unit place. So here we have two possibilities. First is 1 and next is 9, because 1 square is 1 and 9 square is 81, and in both cases 1 is appearing on the unit place. So I am writing these two numbers here. First is 1 and next is 9. Now coming forward to the next step, we are ignoring or hiding the number 6 and going directly to our first digit, that is 3. Now we have to find the probability that in which number squares 3 lies in between. So we've got 3 lies in the square of 1 and the square of 2, that is 3 lies between 1 square is 1 and 2 square is 4, and 3 lies in between of both these numbers. So next is we have to put the smaller number between 1 and 2 with both these digits. So we know very well between 1 and 2 1 is smaller. So I put 1 here, it becomes 11 and it becomes 19. Next step, the last step of our sum is to find is 3 closer to 1 or is 3 closer to 4. It is very easy to tell that 3 is closer to 4, which is greater between both these numbers. Between 1 and 4, 4 is greater 1. Because 3 is closer to the greater number, so our answer will be the greater number between these two options. So our answer is 19. So let's moving forward to our next sum, that is also a 3-digit number. Now on the ones digit, on the unit place we have 6. We have to find the numbers. We have 6 on the unit place. So for this purpose we have two numbers with us, that is 4 and next one will be 6. So here we have two options, 4 and 6. Next step is to leave the number in between and go directly to the hundredth place. The very first digit of our number is, that is 5. So now we have to find out in which numbers 5 lie in between. So we got 5 lies between the squares of 2 and 3. Because 2 square is 4 and 3 square is 9. So 5 lies between 4 and 9. So our next step is to put the smaller number from both these options with them. So from 2 and 3, 2 is smaller. So I put 2 with 4 and 6. It becomes 24 and 26. The last step is to find out is 5 closer to 4 or is 5 closer to 9. So 5 is closer to 4, which is smaller than the other number, so also our answer will be the smaller one. So here we got our answer, that is 24. So here we are considering our next number with 4 digits. We have 4 on the unit place. So for the numbers which have 4 on the unit place, we have two options. First one is 2 and next one is 8. So here I am mentioning them. First one is 2 and next one is 8. Next step is to leave the next number and considering the first two numbers we have, that is 77. So now I have to find out in between which number 77 lies. So I got 77 lies between the square of 8, which is 64, and the square of 9, which is 81. So 7 lies between the square of 8 and the square of 9. The next step is to write down the smaller number from both of them with these two digits. The smaller one is 8, so I am writing 8 here. The last step is to find out is 77 is closer to 64 or is 77 is closer to 81. So it is very easy to conclude 77 is closer to 81, which is greater number between both these options, because 77 is closer to the greater one, so our answer will also be the greater number. Now doing one sum more with same digits, we have 4 on the unit place. So the numbers we have is 2 and 8. The first option we have is 2 and the next option we have is 8. Next step is to leave the number in between and consider first 2 digits, that is 60. Now I have to find out between which number 60 lies. So 60 lies between the square of 7, which is 49, and the square of 8, which is 64. Next step is to write the smaller number between both of them with these 2 digits, which it becomes 72 and 78. Now last step is to find out is 60 is closer to 49 or is 60 is closer to 64. And so 60 is closest to 64, which is the greater number between both these options. So also the answer will be the greater number. So our answer here is 78. Here we are considering our next number with 5 digits. So our number is 11025 with 5 on the unit place. So here we have to find out the number in which 5 appears on the unit place. So we have only one option, that is 5. Next step is to leave the second number and go to the first 3 digits we have, that is 110. Next we have to find out 2 numbers in which 110 lies between. So we get 110 lies between the squares of 10, that is 100, and the square of 11, that is 121. So 110 lies between the square of 10 and 11. So the next step is to write the smaller number with this digit. So here between 10 and 11, the smaller one is 10. Also this is the last and the only option we have with us. So our answer will be 105. So moving toward the next sum, we have 1 on the unit place. So for this purpose we have 2 options. 1 square is 1 and 9 square is 81. Both of them have 1 on the unit place. So I have 2 numbers here, 1 and 9. Next is to leave the second number and go to the first 3 digits we have, that is 146. Now we have to find out 146 lies between in which numbers. So we have 146 lies between the square of 12, that is 144, and square of 13, that is 169. Now we have to write the smaller number between both of them with these 2 digits. The smaller one is 12. So here we got 121 and 129. So the next number is to find out is 146 is closer to 144 or 146 is closer to 169. So it's very easy to see 146 is closer to 144, which is smaller in both of these options. So our answer will also be the smaller one. So we got 121 as our answer. So now you all have to find out the square root of 7569 with the same method, and do mention your answer in the comment section. Thank you so much. If you like the video, please do like, share and comment. Thank you.